Hello everybody from your library. We're here today to talk to you about how Novelist works and how you can use it to find that next good book to read. What is Novelist? Well, it's a database that you can access from our webpage that contains millions of books and how they're all connected to each other. Different types of appeals. If you like this book, you might like that book. It's a good source for when you really don't know what you want to read, especially when you can't get in here very easily. There's two ways to get into Novelist from our homepage. Under Collection, if you go to Book Recommendations and click on here, you will find a link to Novelist Plus right here. Click on that, and that's one way in. Another way in is to go under Research, Learn Online, and then if you scroll down a little bit, you will see link to Novelist Plus. Either way, click here, you're in the database. Now remember, of course, that if you're doing this from home, you're going to need to use your library card to prove that you're with us and log in. So, what do we do with this? Well, there's all kinds of things. Here's instructions on how to find things. Here's all kinds of the resources they prepared for you. And especially if you're working with book discussion groups or things like that, or you just want to browse, you can use these menu options up here. But what we're going to do today is we're going to find a book and then find things like it. So I'm going to go with a book most of us have heard of, 1984. And I'm going to search for it. And there is the book that comes up. Now if I click on this, it will take me to the record Novelist has on this, which will show us all kinds of information about the book and also other books that are similar. Now you can also see there's different editions, there's audiobooks, there's other things that come in here. And then most interestingly, on the right-hand side, there's read-alikes. So these are books that if you like 1984, you'll probably like this one for various reasons. So scroll down here, you may see a few familiar titles. And one thing I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go to Clockwork Orange, because I'm thinking if you like this, you might like that, and see what they have to say about that. So there is a Clockwork Orange. Now, one thing you can do from anywhere in Novelist, if it goes check the library catalog, you click on this and it will take you to exactly our catalog and show you what we have on that book. And this should include all different editions, all different formats. Yes, ebooks, audiobooks, and we also have the movie here in Blu-ray and VHS as well. So very handy information to have. It can also tell me from here more interesting books I might be interested in. And then, of course, they will tell me if I haven't. There is another way you can get into Novelist that I should have mentioned, and that is whenever you pick up a record here in our catalog, and let's just take this one here. Take the book of Clockwork Orange. There's a little tab at the bottom in the catalog that says Novelist Content. And this is kind of a backdoor into Novelist. It will show you a lot of the same information directly in our catalog, and then allow you to find similar items that way. And there we are. Similar titles, similar authors, slightly different display, as well as story elements that you might want to click on here and see what else comes up. Books to movies, that sounds interesting. Here's a bunch of books that inspired movies that will come up in just a bit. And then related content, articles, newsletters, and other resources that might help you. So think about Novelist if you're looking for that next book to read, or if you want to find out more about whatever it is you are reading, and then put it on hold or give us a call and we'll take care of it for you.